Imagine sailing through a storm. The waves are crashing, the wind is howling, and you feel completely lost at sea. This is what it's like to be in a relationship with a narcissistic abuser. It's a tumultuous, exhausting experience that leaves you questioning your worth and sanity. But even in the darkest of storms, there's a guiding light. That light can be Stoic wisdom, timeless teachings that help you navigate life's challenges with clarity and strength. So, let's embark on a journey to discover the 5 signs that it's time to leave a narcissistic relationship and how Stoic philosophy can be your anchor. 1. Recognizing narcissistic abuse, the first step to freedom. The first and perhaps the most crucial step in freeing yourself from a narcissistically abusive relationship is recognizing the abuse. This might sound simple, but narcissistic abuse can be incredibly insidious, creeping into your life and eroding your sense of self bit by bit. If your partner exhibits 6 or more traits of narcissistic personality disorder, NPD, such as an inflated sense of self-importance, a need for excessive admiration, and a lack of empathy, it's a glaring red flag. But even without a formal diagnosis, if your partner consistently disrespects your feelings and repeatedly causes you pain, that's enough to consider your relationship unhealthy. Marcus Aurelius, a Stoic philosopher and Roman emperor, taught us to live in harmony with nature, which includes maintaining inner peace and fostering positive relationships. If your relationship constantly disrupts your peace and happiness, it's time to reevaluate. Marcus reminds us that living in accord with our true nature means pursuing relationships that uplift and support us, not ones that drag us down. 2. From covert to overt abuse, when the mask falls. Narcissistic abuse often starts subtly. It might begin with passive-aggressive comments, subtle digs, or backhanded compliments. This is known as covert abuse. But over time, the mask falls, and the abuse becomes overt, loud, aggressive, and impossible to ignore. This could manifest as shouting, threats, or public humiliation. When abuse becomes overt, it's a clear sign that the relationship has become deeply toxic. At this point, planning your exit is not just an option, it's essential for your well-being. Epictetus, another Stoic philosopher, emphasized focusing on what we can control. While you can't change your partner's behavior, you can control your decisions and your actions. Recognizing the need to leave and taking steps to do so is within your power. 3. Experiencing narcissistic injury and rage, the danger zone. As you start to assert your boundaries and reclaim your sense of self, a narcissistic partner will likely react with what is known as narcissistic injury, a perceived threat to their inflated self-image. This can trigger intense rage and retaliation, creating a volatile and dangerous environment. In these moments, it's crucial to draw on the wisdom of Seneca, who advised practicing courage and wisdom in the face of adversity. Acknowledge the toxicity of your situation and have the courage to step away, protecting your mental and emotional well-being. Remember, your safety and sanity are paramount. Narcissistic rage is not just anger, it's an explosive reaction to the perceived threat of losing control or facing their own insecurities. It can be terrifying and dangerous. Recognizing this behavior as a sign to leave is vital. You deserve to live without fear and in a space where your well-being is respected. 4. Bizarre and inconsistent behaviors, twisting reality. Living with a narcissist often means enduring a constant distortion of reality. Narcissists create their own narrative and expect everyone around them to conform to it. This dissociation from reality can lead to bizarre accusations, confusing interactions, and a general sense of chaos. They might confuse you with past partners or accuse you of things you never did. Understanding this behavior helps you see that their perception of reality is deeply flawed. Stoicism teaches us to accept things as they are. Accept that you cannot change their distorted view of the world and choose to distance yourself to protect your mental health. Stoics like Epictetus remind us that we should only concern ourselves with what is within our control. You cannot fix someone else's twisted perception of reality, but you can control your response to it. Recognize the dysfunction and prioritize your own well-being by creating distance. 5. The devaluation phase, when love turns to contempt. Narcissistic relationships often follow a predictable pattern. Initially, you're idealized and put on a pedestal. But eventually, this gives way to the devaluation phase, where you're treated with disdain and cruelty. The very traits that were once praised are now criticized and belittled. This devaluation is incredibly damaging to your self-esteem. It's designed to break your spirit and make you question your worth. The Stoic principle of self-respect reminds us that we deserve to be treated with dignity. When someone continually devalues you, it's essential to reclaim your self-respect and remove yourself from their toxic influence. Seneca's teachings emphasize the importance of self-respect and dignity. You are worthy of love and respect, and any relationship that seeks to undermine your self-worth is one you must leave behind. It's not just about surviving, it's about thriving and recognizing your inherent value. Leaving a narcissistically abusive relationship is incredibly challenging, but Stoic philosophy provides a roadmap to navigate this difficult journey. It teaches us to focus on what we can control, practice self-respect, and seek inner peace. Every hardship is an opportunity for growth, and this experience, painful as it is, can lead to profound personal development. Marcus Aurelius taught us the importance of maintaining inner peace despite external chaos. By defending your values and distancing yourself from unhealthy relationships, you can protect your mental and emotional well-being. This is not just a retreat, it's a strategic move to safeguard your happiness and future. Epictetus Enchiridion emphasizes accepting what we cannot change and focusing on what we can influence. In the context of a toxic relationship, this means setting boundaries and adhering to them firmly. It's about reclaiming your power and autonomy. Seneca's letters remind us that courage and wisdom are essential virtues in the face of adversity. Leaving a narcissistic relationship requires both. It's a testament to your strength and resilience, and it opens the door to a healthier, more fulfilling life. Rebuilding your life with Stoic wisdom, steps to recovery. Recovering from a narcissistically abusive relationship is a journey, and Stoic wisdom can guide you every step of the way. Here's how you can rebuild your life and restore balance with Stoic principles. Respect yourself. One of Stoicism's core teachings is the importance of self-worth and respect. Allowing a relationship to continually degrade you violates this principle. Respecting yourself means recognizing your inherent value and refusing to tolerate mistreatment. It's about setting boundaries and demanding the respect you deserve. Embrace challenges. Stoic philosophy teaches us to face life's challenges head-on. Difficulties are inevitable, but they are also opportunities for growth and strength. Leaving a narcissistic relationship is one of these challenges, and facing it with courage is crucial. It's about embracing the struggle as a pathway to a better, stronger you. Maintain inner peace. Maintaining inner peace is a central tenet of Stoicism. This means safeguarding your mental health and emotional equilibrium. As you leave a narcissistic relationship, focus on practices that nurture your inner calm. This could be meditation, journaling, or simply spending time in nature. Whatever helps you center yourself and find peace is invaluable. Seek support. Rebuilding your life after narcissistic abuse is not a journey you have to take alone. Seek support from friends, family, or a therapist. Stoicism encourages community and the sharing of wisdom. Surround yourself with people who uplift and support you, and lean on them as you navigate this challenging time. Embrace your strength. Remember that you are stronger than you think. Narcissistic abuse can leave you feeling broken and weak, but the very fact that you're reading this and considering a change is a testament to your inner strength. Embrace that strength and let it guide you towards a brighter, healthier future. Leaving a narcissistically abusive relationship is undoubtedly one of the toughest decisions you'll ever make. But with Stoic wisdom as your guide, you can navigate this journey with clarity and resilience. By respecting yourself, facing challenges head-on, maintaining inner peace, and seeking support, you can not only survive but thrive. Embrace this new beginning as an opportunity to rediscover yourself and rebuild your life. You deserve a relationship that respects and values you. With Stoicism as your anchor, you can steer your ship through the storm and find calmer, more fulfilling waters ahead.